Trying with this one. Dip it in urine for 20 seconds. Is this pregnant? Jesus, I've been panicking. Hey people, it's Rosie and I want to show you how to use the Clearblue digital pregnancy test. I got it from Walmart. It's only $11? No, was it $10? I don't remember. But anyways, I'm going to use this and confirm all the negative lines I've been getting with the $1 pregnancy test strips. So I'll show you how to use it. Stay tuned. Anyways, in case you haven't seen it, well, this is what it looks like. It shows you pregnant or not pregnant. And I realized this is 5 days sooner because last week I had just used the 5 days sooner, 6 days sooner one. I would have just used this and kept one for today since I missed my period yesterday. All right, so I opened it and this is what it looks like. It comes with 2 of these. This is what will tell you pregnant or not pregnant. Hopefully to be pregnant, amen. So you open this and dip it into the urine. Now you can, if the urine was this type, I can turn it on and let it run through for 5 seconds, then you close it and keep it flat. But I'm gonna dip mine in my urine and then for 20 seconds, then close it. All right, stay tuned. Let me show you how it's done. This is my beautiful urine on a sterile cup. I just like to use sterile cup, guys. I don't want any result messing with me. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to open this with one hand. Have it open. I'll go ahead and dip this for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Just in case. All right, I'm gonna place it and cover it now. All right, I'm gonna place it and cover. Trying with this one. Dipped it in urine for 20 seconds. Then left it because this $3 one is showing very faint line. From here, it looks like no line at all. It's very faint. Pregnant. Jesus, I've been panicking. Jesus, I've been panicking. Every test I do with the $3 one, and even the other one has been giving me like this. And this is why I hate the line and no line. Look at that. Nothing. There you go, guys. It's positive. So excited. Now I can rest. Now I can have a peace of rest. And pray for me, guys. Let this one progress, stay, and be a successful baby pregnancy journey. You know what I mean. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.